Hello everyone. How are you? You good? Do you know what? Happy birthday! Well, not really, but and it's not my birthday, but 1 month has passed since I started these videos. So we are celebrating. Man, they grow so fast, huh? But I'm still a baby. So yeah, we are celebrating with the new work that I'm going to show to you. And yeah, so let's go get it, let's go into it. Let's go. So I present to you the water drop. So this idea came out pretty much from nowhere, to be honest. And that's why I don't have sketches of it, neither a time lapse of it. And I just did it. So remaining in the same theme, I wanted to that feeling of letting go once again, and I wanted to give the sense of losing control, and that's why the drawing looks a little bit empty and just with the subject far away. And yeah, I was thinking about the relationship between humans and nature as well, and it's like when you put things in perspective, the idea of something relevant becomes questionable, you know, and because we are large, you know, we have a large mind, let's say like that. We can imagine things, we can create new stuff, things that we never thought about or that other people never thought about. So we have infinite imagination, pretty much. So in that way, we are large, we are big, yeah. We are physically, we are not the smallest being on Earth as well. So, but when we compare ourselves to nature, for example, we can become really small, right? And yeah, so I guess we are large and small at the same time, you know. It's a relative to where we insert ourselves, it's a relative to our surroundings as well. And so yeah, so we are large and small at the same time, just as the ocean is large and small at the same time, and the Earth is large but small, and then the galaxy is large but small, and then the universe is large and small, maybe. And so it's like, where does it stop, you know? Does it even stop? Well, man, we are going into deep waters, you know. But yeah, this is something that I think about. Yeah, I'm going to show a little bit of it better. I'm going to get close up so that you can get some details of the work. And yeah, so just hang on. I'm going to tell you a story, and I'm not even joking. So when I was a little boy, I used to think about this, okay? I really like almonds, you know, and when I was eating them I did not chew them like a normal person do. So what I would do was I would take small bites, little by little. I would do that until I couldn't split it anymore, and then I would just swallow the rest, yeah. But I really wanted to continue to split them. So I thought, if I had a really small knife, I could cut it again. And then, what if I got a smaller knife? And yeah, I believe this was how I started to think about infinity. I remember to think about bubbles as well. Like, imagine if you are inside the bubble and one day you find like the physical boundaries of it, and you think, well, that's it, I can't go any further. But then, what if you could? What if you break the wall, for example? It's like, what's on the other side? And, but then someone comes in and says, it's impossible! Well, everything that we have now was thought to be impossible at some point in time, you know, so yeah. Yeah man, infinity breaks my head, you know. It starts to give like error and shit, and well, the thought is we are just a water drop in the ocean. Done! That's enough of this nonsense. Let's just go get some cake and forget about this, yeah? Party! So, I want to thank you if you have been following my videos. It really means a lot to me, and I hope to continue doing this, and I hope that you continue watching them. And yeah, so with that, I hope to see you again soon, and bye bye. Brilliant. What a brilliant idea there. Yeah, let's throw some papers.